What up, y'all? Y'all already know what to do, man. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. I am in the building, man. Thank y'all for tuning in today. I am so excited to bring y'all the GOAT. Not G-O-A-T, G-O-A-P. The GOAT. The greatest of all phones. Now, I've done a lot of reviews. I've done tons of unboxings here from Metro by T-Mobile. But today, this is one bad boy. This is going to be the king of all kings. The greatest phone ever dropped by iPhone. I know there are other ones out there, but this here, this is the one. You gotta have it. All the celebrities, all your favorite artists, music artists, probably the president got this phone. So if you want to be like the president, you gotta go check it out. Come check it out with me. It's your boy Miguel, Be Talking, aka Metro Miguel. It's going down. So with all that being said, let's get into this phone and unboxing. This is the iPhone XS Max. So, pretty nice phone. Let's open this up here. All right, we got the little sleeve in here to cover the screen. Apple keeps it so simple, y'all. We're gonna pull this out. Here's your wonderful XS Max. Look at this beautiful design. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Comes in two sizes, guys. 5.8-inch screen, or you can get the 6.5-inch screen. So it's your personal preference. There will be a price difference. We'll get into that in just a minute. Inside, you're gonna have your ear pods. Here's your ear pods, guys. And we're also going to have the lightning cable and the wall adapter for the lightning cable. Apple loves to keep it very simple. Now, price-wise, you guys know this one's gonna be a woozy, but it is a very popular phone and you can have it. You can have it. All you gotta do is save all your pennies in your piggy bank, all right? Like I'm gonna do. Because right now I got the 6 Plus, but I'm gonna get my fiance to buy me this one. Shout out to my baby, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, phone's manufacturer sale retail price is $999. You heard it, it's a stack, a whole ticket, like they say. Kinda, sorta. $999, you know, you pay like you weigh. My mom always said you get what you pay for. In this instance, this has an A12 Bionic chip. You know, guys, I did a review on the iPhone 8 Plus that has an A11 Bionic chip. So the A12 is gonna be faster. This is also going to have the dual cameras on the back. Okay, this phone is very official. Like I said, you can get in 5.8 or 6.5 inches. Now, it is IP68 dust and water resistant. You can go a maximum depth of up to 2 meters underwater, up to 20 minutes, up to 30 minutes underwater. That is insane. So that means you could take this phone to a water park, different theme parks, even the swimming pool, and you'll actually be okay entering the pool, and you don't have to have any worries of damaging this device. For $999, you got a dust and water resistant phone that can be submerged up to 2 meters for up to 30 minutes at a time. Really cool specifications, guys. Like I said, it has Face ID recognition for secure authentication for Apple Pay. Wireless charging. It does have the next generation neural engine. So really cool stuff. It does come in 3 colors here at Metro by T-Mobile. You can get it in space gray, silver, or rose gold, or even the black one. So I guess 4 colors, right, guys? This is the black one here. This one's pretty cool. When you switch and get it on the $60 plan, you'll only pay $949. I want to get this phone turned on, guys. I want to go through some of the features, some of the different things. Look, this phone is the king of kings. It's gonna beat most phones on the cell phone market. Let's turn this bad boy on. Let's check it out. I'm excited to check it out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. This is the Apple iPhone XS Max in 64 gigs. This is black finish, y'all. Look at this. Nice aluminum glass, and it's all screen too, guys, so you gotta appreciate that. So we're gonna get this turned on. We're gonna check it out. Thank y'all so much for rocking out with me. It's your boy Metro Miguel. Hey, follow me on Instagram at Miguel Be Talking, because I'll follow you back, and I do be talking. So we're gonna get to the main screen, guys, here. As you can see, once again, like I say, it's all screen. So it's a you'll notice a significant difference from my previous review with the iPhone 8 Plus. The iPhone 8 Plus was 5.5 inches. This is going to be 5.8, or you can get it in 6.5 and it's going to be all screen. Do you guys see that? Very nice, very sleek design. So we're going to hit the English button here. We're going to go through, just run through the settings because I want to get to the main screen, guys, and I want y'all to see actually what this phone can do, some of the different things, and how the camera looks, the quality, and so much. So we're going to hit United States, set up manually. They want us to enter the Wi-Fi, of course. These are like standard settings that Apple requires when initially setting up the device, which is no big deal. I like it. They're very fast, super responsive. Look at that, snatched right to it. And that's in the middle of the video. So this is very organic. Wow. Very bright screen. So it just like woke up all of a sudden, man. I love this device. It is super cool. Activation error, not a problem. We're going to say try again. Hit the back button. Back button. It's connected there. May take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So once we get this up and running, I'm going to upload another review for you guys. Let y'all check this out. This iPhone XS Max is a beast. You got to check it out, guys. Seriously, look at this. It's a beautiful device. I love this. It's well devised. Now, obviously, when you get this phone, you're going to want to get a case and a glass screen protector. Anytime you spend well over $500 for a device, you definitely want to protect it. It's kind of like buying a Mercedes-Benz or a high-end car. You definitely want to put some insurance on it. Same with this. So now we're at the data and privacy screen. We're just going to hit continue. Face ID, of course. We're going to set that up later in settings. Create a passcode. Please make sure you create a passcode. There's no way you're going to set this phone down and let somebody else enjoy such a wonderful device. So immediately, one of the first things you do is set up iCloud, and you're going to set up your passcode and Face ID. 3 different security measures that are very important. So we're not going to use the passcode here. Don't use passcode. And we're just going to set up as a new iPhone. And I appreciate you guys for rocking out with me, man. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. We getting it in today. We just getting to the main screen. Give me 1 second. I got you guys. I got a customer about to walk in. I'm going to get him straightened out. Hold on here. Don't use. We're just scrolling through the thing here. I just want you guys to enjoy looking at the actual screen here so you'll know what we're working at over here at Metro by T-Mobile. Of course, all the iPhones have Siri. Siri is a extra voice that'll help you do all your planning, all your calendars, memos, anything that you need to do. Siri's gonna help you out. We're gonna set that up later in settings. Always sharing any kind of bugs or anything with app developers. That's very important. True Tone Display, once again, that's on the iPhone 8 Plus. That's something that adapts to ambient lighting conditions, and it appears consistent with the different environments. So it's very good for your eyes. That's called True Tone Display. We're going to hit continue, choose a view, and next, continue. Tons of different features. So take your time when you unbox the phone. A lot of cool stuff, guys. Make sure y'all keep it locked. Subscribe. Leave your comments below. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. Today, I brought y'all the king of kings, the iPhone XS Max. Stop by today, get you a new activation on a $60 plan. You'll get it from me or any Metro by T-Mobile you stop by for $9.49 plus tax and activation fees. It's going down right here, Metro by T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your comments below. Let's ride.